Ebo Chukwu onye dị mma, Ebo Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe anyị nọ, ebere gị n'ebe anyị nọ, anyị na-ebunye gị okwu ekele. Ebo Chukwu onye dị mma, Ebo Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Last time we said, 1 second. Okay. Okay, so last time, Oge Garaga, I said we are going to learn a song. Okay, so Ndewe no aha Wukunet Ogochukwu Ohaya. I hope everybody you had a good school week. Okay, so today means start. I need you to follow what I'm going to be saying here, because this song, I'm going to translate it and send it to you. Okay, so make sure you know the words and how I am pronouncing it. So I'll give you time to learn it. So I'll do the translation later and send it to you. So we're going to sing this song, but I'm going to recite the words first. But read along while I'm reading it, okay? Then after that, we finish our alphabets. Okay, so it goes like this. Ebo Chukwu onye dị mma. Ebo, you are. Chukwu means God. Onye, the person who, okay? Dị mma, someone who is good. You're a good God. So I will do the translation later, but just watch how I'm pronouncing the Igbo words. Ebo Chukwu onye dị ike. Chineke. Ede. This A is referring to God. Ede nsọ. Ede ebube. Amara gị na ebem no. Ebem no. The M is referring to you, is possessive. Okay. Ebere. This is ebere. Ge na ebe. Ebem. Don't forget. Sometimes I tend to write it together because I don't want people to think that it's a standard. It should be standalone, but it's supposed to be pronounced together. Okay. Na ebem. No, don't forget the pronouns, the M pronouns, okay? It's mine or mine. Anam ebunye gị ukwu ekele. No, this will be a challenge. I will send it out and I'll give you 2 weeks to see who is gonna be able to come to class the next 2 weeks coming and be able to read this for me, okay? Read it for everybody and we'll listen to you. So we see, it's gonna be a challenge, but you can do it. All right, so I will read it again. Ebo Chukwu onye dị mma, you are a good God. Ebo means you are. Chukwu onye dị ike, you are a powerful God, okay? Chineke also means God. Chineke, ịdị nsọ, ịdị ebube. You are pure, you are mighty, okay? Amara gị, amara. When you say merem amara, you know, your mercy, amara gị na ebem no. Your mercy or your kindness to me. amara gị na ebe m nọ. Ebere, your mercy, ebere gị na ebe m nọ. You are merciful to me. You are kind to me. So this is something that you're talking, it's like a prayer. You're talking to God, but even though we're going to make a song, we're going to put it into a song, okay? Anam ebunye, anam ebunye, I am, okay? Ebunye, you're giving to God the praise. I anam ebunye ge ukwu ekele. Now, this is one trick here. When you are reading Igbo words, you don't rush it. You don't read it like the way you read English words. You pronounce the Igbo word one by one, because every letter must be pronounced. Okay? Okay. Igbo Chukwu onye dị mma. See number one, the line 1. Igbo Chukwu onye dị mma. Igbo Chukwu onye dị ike. Chineke dị nsọ ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m. Biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi niile. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. I will sing it again. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike. Chineke dị nsọ ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Ukwu ekele is you're giving God praises, okay? Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m. You know what is nne na nna is your parents, your mother, your father, okay? Biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile. Ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Now, Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m. It means, remember, God is Chukwu. Gọzie means bless. Chukwu, God. Gọzie, bless. Ezinụlọ means your family, your household. Okay? Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m. God bless my family. That's what it is. Gọziere m, gọziere m nne na nna m. Gọziere m means bless my parents, my mother and my father. Nne means mother. Nna means father. And don't forget also, nne also means mama. Nna also means papa. Okay? Now, Biko, you know the meaning of Biko. We did it last week, at least in one of the alphabets we are using to form Igbo words. Okay? Biko means please. Gọziere, please bless. Okay? Ụmụnne means your siblings. Okay? Ụmụnne means my siblings. Biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe. It means your relatives. Ikwu na ibe means your relatives. Gọziere means bless for me, okay? My relatives. Gọziere ụmụnne, my siblings. Mandi, okay? Here it says, ma ndị enyi m niile, and all my friends. And all my friends. You are telling God to bless your family, bless your parents, bless your siblings, your relatives, and including your friends. And then you're giving him a great praise. You're giving him thanks. That's what it is. Anam ebunye, you're giving him a great thanks. You're giving great praises. You're praising him for doing all that, for keeping you alive also. Chukwu gozie ezinụlọ m, goziere m nne na nna m, biko goziere m ụmụnne m, goziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. So now let's do it one more time and then we go back to our alphabets. All right. So remember the first stanza, okay? Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, you are a good God. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, you're a great God, you're a mighty God, you're a powerful God. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe nọ, ebere gị n'ebe nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chukwu gozie ezinụlọ m, goziere m nne na nna m, biko goziere m ụmụnne m, goziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. One more time. So listen now, okay? One more time. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Now, number two stanza. Chukwu gozie ezinụlọ m, goziere m nne na nna m, biko goziere m ụmụnne m, goziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Maybe I see if somebody can do it. Can somebody do it? Let me see if somebody is gonna raise his or her hand. Who can do it? Who can sing it? Just try. Can somebody try? Okay, I'll do it one more time. Oh, somebody's raising hand. Ihedim Nuche, and Chika. Okay, one more time, then Ihedim Nuche. I will give you a chance to do it. One more time, everybody pay attention. And I will try to pronounce the word one by one. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Now, number two. Chukwu gozie ezinụlọ m, goziere m nne na nna m, biko goziere m ụmụnne m, goziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Okay, now, ihe dị m n'uche, I'm going to unmute you. Let's see. Are you there? Ihe dị m n'uche, I don't see you anymore. Okay, Chika, ngwa, unmute yourself and try.
Okay. Amira again in there.
No, start from the beginning, Chika. Start from the beginning. You see, Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma.
Imo Chukwu onde, Ubwe Chukwu onde.
Chika, you're trying, but I need you to see the words, okay? Remember the first one, the first line is say, Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma. Okay, so I will send the words. So I would like you to keep trying, but you have to go line by line, okay, Chika?
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, so let me see if another person will try. Let me see who is raising hands here. Whoa. Okay, so let's see another person. 5 people are raising their hands. I can't see them anymore. Okay, admit. Okay, who else? Chiamaka, ngwa mepe onyonyo gị.
Ibu Chukwu.
Go on.
Ibu Chukwu koni dike. Chineke dị nsọ ịdị ebube. Amara gị na ibe nọ. Ibere gị na ibe nọ. Anam ibu ye gị ukele.
Chiamaka, you have a wonderful voice. You need to call me after class, but it's going to be around 3, okay? After the next class. We need to talk. Wonderful. Okay, Onyaza. Chiamaka, make sure you call me. Okay? Email. Whoa, this is awesome. Okay, Olisa. Olisangwa. Unmute yourself, Olisa. Olisa, I gave you permission to unmute yourself. Go ahead.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke ịdị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị na ebe nọ, ebere gị na ebe nọ, anaghị m bunye gị ikwe ekele.
Oh, bravo! Okay, I'm writing your name down too. Chiamaka and Olisa. Two of you should call me after class, but call me around. Chiamaka will call me 3:10, Olisa 3:15. Wow, we have wonderful singers here. Oh my gosh. Olisa, don't forget, Chiamaka, don't forget, call me. Okay, so let me see the next person. Wow, Olisa, Olisa, what's your last name? Olisa, what is your last name? Olisa, give me your last name.
Ibekwe.
Ibekwe. Oh my goodness. Oh my, Olisa is a new student. Olisa, I am so happy. Okay, let's try another person. Oh my gosh. Ezike, is it Ralo? Ralo, unmute yourself. Is it Ralo or who? Cheta?
It's Ralo and Dara.
Ralo, I want you to sing. Whoa! Good. Come on.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chinyere ịdị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị ebere gị na ebe nọ, ana ebunye gị ukwe ekele.
Wonderful. Whoa. Good. Darling, good. You guys will call me, I'll call me too, okay? You call me 3:20. 3 of you, okay? 3:20. Wonderful. Okay, let's see who else. Wow, I am so proud of you guys. Okay, who else is raising hand? Adanne, your turn. Unmute yourself. Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma. Want to go?
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke ịdị nsọ, ide ebube, amara gị na mgbe m nọ, ebere gị na mgbe m nọ, ana m ebu gị okokele.
Wonderful. Good. Whoa, you guys are awesome. Adan Nekedi, your last name. Is Idiga? Adan Idiga. Okay. Call me too. Okay. Adan Idiga. Wonderful. 325. Oh, awesome. Okay, another person. Who is this person raising hand? I don't see the number. Is not showing your name. Emeka. Emeka, hi. Come on, Emeka ngwa.
Ibu Chukwu Nedima, Ibu Chukwu Nedike, Chineke ịdị nsọ, ide ebube, amagi na ebe no, ebe gị na ebe no, ana m ebunye gị ugo ekele.
Good. Emeka, darling, I come to 3:30. Call me, Emeka. Good. Awesome. Okay, so Chuka. Ojako Chuka ngwa. Chuka, mute yourself.
Ebe Chukwu
Okay. Chuka ngwa gente. Listen, I sing it again, okay? When I finish, I need you to sing. Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Chuka, over to you.
Ebe Chukwu dị mma, Ebe Chukwu na-edeke, Chineke ebe nsọ, ebe ebu, ebere gị na ebe nọ, ebere gị na ebe
It's
nọ.
okay, Chuka. It's okay. Okay, Chuka.
Good.
All right. I need you to keep practicing it, okay? Keep practicing. Once you can learn it, you record yourself and send to Auntie, okay? Can you do that for me? Chuka, can you hear me? Chuka, is Chuka there? Where is Chuka? Oh, we lost Chuka. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Somebody dig again. Unmute yourself.
Can you say the lyrics again?
What's your name? Kedahage?
Chizzy, Afamba Chizzy.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you say the lyrics?
Okay, you want me to say the lyrics again?
Yeah.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele. Ngwa, go on.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị ukwu ekele.
Yeah. Good. You tried very well. And keep going over, okay? Good job. And
Okay.
You and Adan in the same house. Okay, good. So I will talk to 3 of you when you call, right? Good job. Keep learning. And let's see 2 more people. Amarachi Odenibo. Amarachi Ngwa. Unmute yourself.
Ibutuku onye dike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị na ebe nnu, ebere gị na ebe nnu, anya enweghị ugwu ekele.
Yeah, yes. Dalo, good. So keep learning too, Amarachi. I'll see you. You're coming to practice tomorrow. I'll see you, okay? Good job. Dalo, Amarachi, Dalo. Who else? Let me see. Who is raising hands? Somebody with 9631. I would like you to change your name so that I will know who you are. You are showing as a guest, but you're raising your hand. So if your number ends in 9631, go ahead. I unmuted you now.
My name is Kamzi. This is not actually my name. My name is Kamzi. I don't know how to.
Your name is who? Kamzi?
Kamzi.
Is it Kamsi Obi?
Kamsi.
Okay. So next time, before you call into the class, I need you to type your name up there, okay? All right. Go ahead and sing. Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma. Go on.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma. Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike. Go on.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma. Ibu Chukwu onye dị
ike. Okay, so Kamsi, I need you to keep trying, okay? I will also post it. You will see the lyrics and keep trying it, okay? Next week, let me see how you're gonna do, but good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, one more person, and then we'll start the class for the alphabet, okay? Making words. All right, let me see, one more person. Let's see who's raising hands here. Someone else. Let me see, who is this? Just one more person. Kamsi, okay, let's give to Constance. The name Constance, okay. Go ahead, unmute yourself. Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma. Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike. Go ahead.
Okay, I have it's there's three of us here. And
yeah, I need three of you to sing.
We're gonna sing all together, okay? Ready?
Yes, good.
Okay, good.
Ibu Chukwu onye dị mma, Ibu Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube, amara gị na-ebe nnọọ, ebere gị na-ebe nnọọ, ana m ebulie iwe ekele.
Yeah. Okay, tell me give me your names.
Okay, there's
well, wait, can we say our names?
Go ahead.
Can we?
No, you have to be the one to say your own name. So I need your sister to say your name first.
My name is Obi Okeke.
Obi Okeke. Aha. Another person.
Omaka.
My name is Ifi Okeke.
Ifi. Okay. Onyozo.
Okay.
And my name is Obianuju Okeke.
Obi. Okay. Obianuju. Okay. Good. All right. I'll talk to all of you. Now we need to continue. If you want me to hear you what you're singing, you know you can also record and send to me. Please do that. But next week we are going to start again with the song. And then some of you that I didn't get to give opportunity to sing, I will get to you next week. But still feel free to record your voice and send to me. Because remember, we have event coming up June 4th. And then when I hear all of you go over the song and sing, I'm going to add you to the group who are going to perform. We're going to perform live in Atlanta. All right. And I'm going to call your parents to talk to them to know who are, some of you that are coming and who is not coming. All right. So we're going to move on now. But I'll sing it one more time. One more time. And then if you can get to the second stanza, wonderful. But practice it, okay? I will post the lyrics and then the song, the recording, okay? So that you will see it. Ịbụ Chukwu onye dị mma, ịbụ Chukwu onye dị ike, Chineke dị nsọ, ịdị ebube. Amara gị n'ebe m nọ, ebere gị n'ebe m nọ, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. Now, number 2. Chukwu gọzie ezinụlọ m, gọziere m nne na nna m, biko gọziere m ụmụnne m, gọziere m ikwu na ibe m, ma ndị enyi m niile, ana m ebunye gị okwu ekele. All right, so we stop here, and then we move on to our alphabet forming words, okay? Good job. Jishike means keep on trying, keep doing good. All right, so let's, I'm gonna share the page. Okay, so izu gara aga. Izu gara aga means last week. We started from A, B, which is A. So now pay attention here. This is the Igbo alphabet. And we did A, and we use some words to represent this Igbo alphabet, forming words. And most of you did, bravo. And some of you, I will still call you in some areas that you missed the words, or maybe you repeated what we did in the class. That's okay. But I don't want you to repeat what we did in the class. I want you to come up with your own words. And please don't forget all these words that we are forming. You need to learn them and get to know them and use these words in the house. Speak to your parents, speak to your siblings, your friends, your uncles and aunties. Use these Igbo words so that you get used to them, okay? This is how you form your vocabulary. I want you to learn them. Don't just do the homework and then forget the words. No, you need to know those words, including the ones that we are doing in the class, because you never know when I call you the question I'm going to ask you. That will be part of the assessment as well. So learn them, use them, okay? Use these words, you know them, then you put them in your portfolio, put them in your storage. You know them, use them, bring them out. Make sure you use them every day. These are everyday words that we use every day in the house, out there. So please don't just pack it. Don't just do the homework and pack it. And many of you didn't do the homework. Let me say this, you're not helping yourself. You are not helping yourself by not doing your homework. You have to do your homework. That's the only way you can learn. You do these words, you see yourself knowing, writing them out, and at least if you're not going to learn everything we did in any given class, then pick at least half of it. Learn at least half of them, okay? All right, so we say a, we say aka. Aka means hand. Anya, eye. Azu, we have azu, which is back. We have azu. The only thing that differentiated this word is the sound. You can't even, no, because they are the same spelling. Azu, back. Azu, azu, down, is back. Azu, okay, fish. All right, we have be, which is the second letter in Igbo alphabet. Biko means please. Bupu, it means bupu afere, carry out the plate, okay? Or take out the plate. Bia means come. She, shere, you can use CH to form the word. Shere means wait. Chineke, okay, means God. Chukwu means God also, even though we didn't put it here. But you can come up with so many words, okay? Chicha, chicha, adaku, chichaya, adaku, clean it, clean, all right? Clean means chicha. You wrote something and then I say chicha, it means clean, okay? Cherem, okay, so this is one of the ones that I corrected there. Cherem means wait for me. Wait for me. Cherem, wait for me. Okay. De, you can say di, which is husband. Dalo, thank you. The second one, debe, debeya. Debe means keep. Debe, keep. Debeya, keep it. Ya means it. Okay. All right. Dere means be with. Dere, be with, but derem means be with me. Okay. Derem means be with me. Which is Igbo alphabet. Not E. Like Eze. Pay attention. See the sound and how I'm pronouncing it. Eze means king. Eze, king. Eze. You see the difference? Eze, up. Eze, 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 eze means king. Eze, your teeth. Okay, don't forget that. Don't forget it. Efere, plate. Echi, you see it here. Echi means tomorrow. Fe, not F. It's fe. So here is foroya. Foro means uproot. Foroya, uproot it. Ya is referring to it. Fonyeya. So this should be punctuated with it in a pump. Punctuation is putting pump or period under a letter. Foroya. Okay, fonye means to put in. Fopota. Okay, means to get it out. Fonye ya na apa. Put it in your pocket. Fonye ya na apa. Apa means pocket. Okay. Apa also means bag. Nyem apa. Give me a bag. Nyem apam. Adanne. Bunyem apam. Adanne. Carry, bring my bag. Adanne. Wetaram apam. Adanne. Bring me my bag. Okay. Tinye ya na akpa gị. Put it in your pocket. Tinye ya na akpa gị. Put it in your pocket. Pocket means akpa. Handbag also means akpa. A carry-on bag means akpa. Okay. Now, fa, depending on the dialect, but we are doing Central Igbo here. Ha, which is, ha is a pronoun. There, there, them. Okay. Ha means there. Now, we also have a letter G. Gaba, you use G to form a word. Gaba, go. G means you. When I say G, anam agwage, I am talking to you. Anam agwage, I am telling you. Anam ekurugi, I am talking to you. Anam agwage, I am telling you. Okay? You means G. Gene means what? Guinea, what? And here we have we, the letter we, the Igbo alphabet we, that together, these two letters are together. Okay. Bochie, we use the word bochie to stop something or to prevent. Bajie means to break. Bajie ya. Ikenna, bajie ya. Ralu, bajie ngaji. Ralu, break the spoon. Okay. Bajie means to break something. Okay. Bagaramu. I broke it in syllables because I want you to form the word. Learn to pronounce it. It's not how you're supposed to write it, but I just broke it in syllables to help you out. So we're going to join it. Bagaram means forgive me. Bagara means forgive. Let it go. Bagara, forgive. Okay. Bagaram, forgive me. Okay. Bagaramu, not only when forgive me, because mu means me. Mu, me. Is mine or mine. Forgive me. Okay. So bagara, okay. Like somebody in the class say, bam nahu means leave me alone. But here, if you want literally say leave me alone, hapum aka. Hapum aka. No, that's not what we're talking about. But there are so many ways your parents will use this word to leave me alone. You see, stop giving me trouble. Now, GH, which is re, not G, is re, not G, is re. See the pronunciation. G versus re. G versus re. Okay? Rara, let go. Rara, let go. Okay? Rara. Now, we're starting from Rara today. Let's see what we're going to do. And then in 10 minutes, I give you guys a space to ask questions. G is Rara, let go. Okay? Now, I'm not going to give you the other words. I want you to come up with your own words. That will be another homework. And if you know you haven't done the first section of it, you still have to do it and send it to me. You still have to do the first section that we just finished reviewing. Iga emeya, you will do it. And then ziterem, ziterem means send it to me. Ziterem, send to me, okay? You have to do your homework. Homework is called ihe omume, maọbụ ihe ọmụmụ. Ihe omume, or you can say ihe ọmụmụ means homework or assignment. All right. Ri, okay? Ri, rara, rara, okay? Let go. Raraya, okay? Bagara, bagara is not the letter that starts. We are talking about GH. Don't use bagara now. Rara. So you have to form a word that starts with GH in Igbo and write the meaning. Most of you did very well, and I am so proud of you. Okay? Unumere ofuma, unumere nke oma. You all did very well. Means uno means you all that did the homework. Mere nke oma did very well. Or did well, okay? Okay, now we have GW, which is we. You see how I'm pronouncing it? We. Okay? Guam means tell me. Guam, tell me. Guaya, tell her or he or it. Guani. Okay, let me put guani here. But you should be the one to come up with the other words. Gua, ani. Ani means us. Guani means tell us. There are so many words you can come up with. Tell us. Guani. So you're gonna do the rest. And now, but don't repeat what we did in the class. You have to come up with yours. Chichaya. Chichaya. Chichaya means clean it. So I need somebody who wrote on the screen to get your hand off the screen, please. Now, we're going to go to he, which is the H. We are doing the H. And in Igbo alphabet, it's not H, it's he, okay? You can say horo. Horo means select or pick. Select or pick. Horo ato. Ato means three. Horo ato. It means select three. Hopu ite noko. Take the pot off the fire, okay, of the stove. Hopu ite means take the pot. Horo ite. Okay? Then horo ato. I'm not saying where now. There is another word you can say where, but it's under W, not here. So horo, hopota. Hopota madato. It means select 3 people. Mado means when you say mado. Chinelo. If you do it again, I take you off the class. You're distracting in the class. Don't write anything on the screen because you're distracting. All right, you do it again, I will take you out of the class. Because if you keep doing that, you're distracting others in the class. They're paying attention. It means you're not paying attention. So don't do that again. All right. E means E, okay. You can say Ike or Ike. Ike means but. Ikenna is somebody's name, God's power. So let's Ikenna means God's power. God's power. Okay, so you be the one to do the rest. And let's do 2 more. Now, remember we have 2 eyes. The one that has 1 dot on top, and the other one has dot up and down. And the first eye is A, is light, A. The second one is A. Pay attention. The second one is deeper than the first one. The first one is A. It's not I, no. This is not English alphabet, it's A. Now the second I with a dot up and down is A. A, the first one. A, the one with the dot up and down. A is deeper, okay? A, okay. So ikiri aka, you're able. Ikiri aka, ikiri oko, okay? Ikiri aka, ikiri oko, okay? There are some other words. You come up with that. That will be your homework. Now we have je, not je. It is je. Je. Je means jide means hold. Jide ralo jide. Neka jide. Ifi jide. Obianuju jide. Chiamaka jide means hold. Okay. Jideya means hold it. Jideha, remember the pronoun. Pronoun ha means them. Jideha, hold them. Jidani, hold us. Jidem means hold me. Jideya, hold her, or hold him, or hold it. Okay. When I'm giving you a stick, I say, Nandi jide, jideya. It means to hold it. Okay. All right. Jide means to hold. All right. So you come up with another word. We're going to stop here. So you have from G, GH, another one, Gwe, H is pronounced as he. The first I with 1 single dot is A. The one with dot up and down is A. The J is pronounced as E. Okay, J. K is pronounced as, we leave K now, so we're going to stop at J. So I will send the homework out for you to do. All right? Okay, so now I'm going to open the floor for you to ask questions. We have 9 more minutes left. So Awuniwa Jojo, Welia Kelu. Welia Kelu means raise your hand. And then before you ask the question, you say your name. Ahambo. Ikuahage, enwerem ajojo, enwerem ajojo. All right, so let me see who is raising hand. Okay, Chiamaka. Chiamaka Josia Ebuka Ejo, Ebuka Ejosia Adanne, Adanne Josia Ihuoma. Okay. Chiamaka Ngwa, unmute yourself. You have permission now. Kelechi kwụsị ide ihe na onyonyo. Kelechi kwụsị. Chiamaka Ngwa.
Aha m bụ Chiamaka, enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
I hear this a lot in my house. How do I spell Anambia? Anambia.
Anam abia. Okay.
Yeah.
This is how you say it. Let's type it here. Anam abia. Okay. Dalo. This is what you say. Anam abia. See, Anam.
I spelled it correctly. Oh.
Good. If you want to teach it, if you did it that way, fine. Anam abia. I am coming. I am. Oh God.
Oh.
Kelechi. Okay, parents, pay attention. I will take Kelechi off the class. I won't let Kelechi into the class next week. Kelechi, call me after this class because we cannot continue this way. I am coming. I am coming. That's how you do it, Chiamaka Dalo, huh?
Dalo.
Email. Okay, Ebuka. Ebuka Ngwa, unmute yourself.
Aha m bụ Chukwuebuka, enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa Chukwuebuka, John.
Gịnị wu happy birthday?
Happy birthday is Aṅụrị. Okay, let's do it. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. Let's do it. Aṅụrị means happy. Aṅụrị. And we need to punctuate it as well because of the sound. Aṅụrị. Aṅụrị. And don't forget that ngo is the end with the dot or hyphen on top. Aṅụrị. Ụbọchị is a day, the day you were born. Ụbọchị ọmụmụ. Ọmụmụ, your birth, okay? Ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. So you have to punctuate it. It's easier to do when you're writing it. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. So when you're telling happy birthday to somebody, say aṅụrị means happy or joyful or joy. Or you see something that is, you know, happy, the happiness. Aṅụrị means happy. Ụbọchị is the day, okay? Ọmụmụ is the birth, the day you were born. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. And if you want to say happy Christmas, I think we did this. Was it the beginning of the class? But it's okay. Happy New Year. Aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ. Happy New Year. Aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ. Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas. Aṅụrị ekeresimesi is Christmas. I know it's funny. Okay, so Ebuka ịhụla ya. Ka Ebuka achọrọ nke ikwuo ya. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Oh, I should say it?
Yeah, I want you to say it. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Yes, that's how you say it. So, happy birthday. That's how you say it. All right. One more person. Let's see. What is the other? Who is the other person? Is it Adan Nengwa? Is Adan there?
Afambo Neduchi.
Neduchi.
Do we have any homework?
Neduchi, I want you to say enwerem ajụjụ.
Oh, enwerem ajụjụ.
Ngwa.
Do we have any homework today?
I will send it out. Yes, I'm gonna send the homework out, okay? So look out for it this evening.
Wait, are you gonna send it to our parents?
Yeah, since you don't have phone, your parents are the ones to give you the homework, okay?
Okay.
All right, Dalu. How do you say thank you?
Dalu.
Imela. Okay, so Akonna, your turn. Akonna ngwa.
Hambo Akuna Ohio. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa Jono.
So you know how you told us the homework was from G, I think, to K? What if we just did the whole alphabet at once?
No, I don't want you to do the whole alphabet because I want you to know those words that you're going to form. I want you to know all those words before we can move on down. I don't want you to keep doing it, but you don't even know any of them. So I want you, or we do it just section by section to give you opportunity and chance and enough time to learn them so that you know those words. But I don't want you to do everything because doing everything is not learning them. So we're gonna take it easy, okay? Line by line. So that when I ask you a question, all of them, you should be able to know them. See that?
So the homework stops at K, right?
I will send it out. Don't do it until I send it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dalu.
Email. Okay, one more person and that's it. Because I have another class and that's Olisa. Olisa Ngwa, unmute yourself.
Afambu Olisa Ibekwe Ajim Ajuju.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa Olisa, go ahead. Jụọ na ajụjụ.
Do we have? How do I get the homework? Like,
I will send it to your parents. I added your parents to the forum. So for those of you, I know most of you don't have any phone. So your parents are the ones to give it to you. Okay. So don't forget to ask your mom or dad, hey, auntie is gonna send the homework out, please. I need it. And they will give it to you. You need to remind them. Okay. Okay, Olisa. Olisa. Olisa neighbor.
Okay.
All right.
Dalu.
How do you say okay means oh? Can you say oh?
Oh.
Okay. I will stop here today. Look out for that homework. And please, if you haven't done the first one, please do it. I will still post the first one. Okay. I'm going to mute everybody so that if you want to say cardio, you can do that. All right. So when is cardio?